camera store. I went to the camera store because this camera, dude, I dropped it and it's making a noise and I hate it. Every single time I record, it makes a noise. And I went to the camera store thinking they're gonna like fix it or something, but then they're like, oh no, we have to send it to the manufacturer. 8 weeks? Dude, 8 weeks to fix this. And I'm just like, 8 weeks to fix this? And I don't know if I want to wait 8 weeks. Because that's a long time. But I hate it. Literally, like, I dropped it, and now it makes a sound whenever I record. It goes in the background. And then I'm going to just use this camera for 8 weeks. But this is kind of cute, though. I can use this camera for 8 weeks. I'm just going to have to get adjusted to the thing because I keep going left, and it keeps going right. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Anyways, we're going to go to the mall. It's like an hour. I really wanted to look at, I have no jeans, people. I have no jeans. Where's my phone at? I literally have no jeans. So I kind of want to go check out jeans at the mall, or at least to know my sizing. So then if I order it online, I know my sizing. So we're going to go to the outlet. The only thing is, it's pushing 4 o'clock. It's like 3:30 something, which basically means we're going to be stuck in traffic. And I want to go to the one that has the outlets. Do you know what I mean? Because, like, a girl can bargain and find some discounts. I'm finding some discounts. 48 minutes? So basically, we're going to still go. That's my consensus. We're going to have a great time. And you're coming with me. Like it or not. Like it or not. You're coming with me. So let's get this show on the road. Also, I have an audience. Can someone say... Where's the keys? Bruh. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the... I'm gonna see you when we're at the store. It's a 48-minute drive, and we're gonna enjoy every single minute of it. It's you and me, baby. I do have to go pee, though. So, no more liquids. Let's go, dude. And nothing's worse than having to go pee. I have to go pee so badly right now, and I'm trying to hold it in. But let's go inside. Let's go inside. I gotta go pee. Pee. Come on, ukulele. Okay, come on, y'all. Let's get down to business. Oh God. Guys, you really have to go pee also.
Sí, yo creo que ya entiendo. Ya no se quedó el pantalón.
So I went to Levi's, and then after trying all those pairs of pants on, I found one, the black one, okay? They looked so cute and they felt so nicely. I went up and I waited in that line, and then I was like, oh, is this part of the sale? I got all those pants from the sale rack. I got it from the sale rack, the 40%. No, the 60%. It was like a 60% sale. And then next thing you know, the guy was like, oh, this is not on sale. And I was like, oh, he's like, yeah, I know, sorry. So maybe we'll just put the pants back there. And I was like, oh. And then I almost bought the pair of pants because I don't know how to say, like, no, like, I don't want them anymore, dude. I don't want to pay $98 for those. I wasn't anticipating or planning to, so I was just not going to. And then I was like, yeah, I guess I'll pay for it, and I'm just going to return it. But then I thought, like, in the midst of me about to pay, he probably thought I was so annoying. The cashier was just like, oh my God, why can't you just... He was like, just do one. And I was like, oh yeah, maybe, yeah, sure, okay. Then I almost got it, and then he was like, so sorry. And then I was like... Actually, like, mid about to pay, I was like, actually, I don't want it anymore. Can I just leave it? Like, mid, like, about to pay. And I was like, actually, I don't want it anymore. And then he's like, oh, yeah, it's okay. And then he just put it away. And I was like, why did I almost buy that? I almost bought it just because I didn't want to say, no, dude, I don't want it. Like, no, thank you, but thank you. But yeah. Then I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So then I didn't buy it. So now the sun's going down. Look. Like an hour journey back because traffic. We're gonna be stuck in traffic, but the sunset, okay, you can't even see from this camera that the sun is setting, but it's setting. See, look at the camera, the sun is setting, but it's time for us to go. Are you ready to rumble? Okay, I'm gonna see you when we're back. Vroom, get on me, car! Okay, shut up. Okay, bye. Hey, everybody, we're almost home! Woo, 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 woo! She got her foot on, and she let me feel like all I wanna do is fuck it. I don't care if you rush it. Only care. There's a big ass semi truck behind me. She got no doors, make a nigga wanna be lost. She didn't want me first. I love hanging out by myself. Guys, there's a semi truck behind me. I'm eating some Weathers candy. Okay, I gotta go.